Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. This is the second day and we are off to another place. As you can see, we already set off and we are going by road. It will take us like 4 to 5 hours, and in middle if we take breaks, so not much, like 6 hours we'll reach our destination. We are already going by road, so you can enjoy the views. This is our first break, so we almost traveled the whole evening and it was already nighttime and we were all also very hungry, so we thought about taking a break and we chose this spot. This is actually a restaurant. We will eat here. We'll take a dinner here. There is also this swing that I went into. It was so cool. I mean, not that cool. I was talking about that cool. I was feeling so cool because it's pretty cold here. This is the inner view of the restaurant. We're also gonna order some food because we're gonna take our dinner here only. We ordered our food, so we took some rice, fried rice, mutton noodles, and some vegetables with it.
Rice.
While we were going, we saw this wonderful firecracker show. So, of course, I took a shot. In the way, there was also carnival. Finally, we reached here. It's already so late in the night. It's almost like 1:40 and I'm so tired. But at least we reached our hotel and now we're gonna take our room. This is our room. We're gonna rest. This is the wardrobe. And this is the washroom. We all were so tired that just after coming, we freshen up and then we got into our beds. It was so tiring. Like it's almost 2 o'clock right now. I'm gonna just sleep. As you can see, all of us are tired. And this is the room. Now we're gonna sleep because we're so tired, and I'll see you next morning. Good morning. This is the next day. I just woke up few minutes ago and now we're going downstairs for breakfast. We are here and there's a buffet system. There's not quite a things. I didn't like it much because there was not much quantity, but I was hungry, so whatever I got, I just ate it. These are all the food items. This is the food that we took there. She's eating. Bunu is just eating, always eating. And this is my ammu's plate, and there is mine. Actually, I was just texting one of my friend. I didn't take much because I was not hungry. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to watch our next part of my winter vacation, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Masalama.